Why do all modern home appliances have to make a beeping sound for every button pressed, and why don't manufacturers at least give you the option to disable it? I lived in a place that had a Samsung microwave hood fan combo, and it had the option to turn off all beeping. It was the single greatest thing in my adult life. I spend every day chasing that high, and I don't think I'll ever find it again. It provides feedback. It tells you the button was actually successfully pressed. Most modern appliances don't use mechanical buttons, so there's no obvious click when you press a button. It's easy to think you pressed a button, but the appliance didn't register it, and now your oven isn't preheating. My microwave lets you mute all sound in the settings. There's also a low volume option. That's the one I use. Just have to make sure that's an option next time you buy a new one. Mostly they're just too lazy to add the option.